New ID8 Snapdragon665 12.3inch Android 12 Carplay Auto for BMW X3 F25 X4 F26 Car Intellgent Automotive Multimedia Monitor Andiord 12 System Qualcomm 8-core processor Running memory 8GB Storage memory 64GB Main frequency up to 2.0 GHz Equipped with HD 1920-720p touchscreen. Support Android wireless CarPlay Andiord Auto perfect interaction between mobile phone and new screen. Support Google iGo Map and other maps. With Bluetooth 5.0. The sound is clearer and the effect is great even at high speed. You can say it directly screen off, open the Bluetooth, open the music, next track, volume up. Split screen function, navigation and video are played on the screen at the same time. If the original car has a reversing image, we support the reversing image of the original car. If not, we will give you one as a gift. Support original system functions, steering wheel buttons, original CD, original iDrive and original audio. The X3 screen at a glance. Common problems: 1 is the Android Auto Apple CarPlay wireless. Or do you need to connect it via cable? CarPlay is wireless, Auto is wired, and the product itself is also an Android system. It supports downloading and installing app. 2 screen is it touch? Yes, finger touch is supported. 3 is this compatible with BMW F25 2014? The product supports BMW F25 F26 for 11 to 17 years. 4. Are there all languages? Yes, at present, it basically supports 90% of the world's languages. 5 keeps the original car controls, steering wheel and scroll. Yas, the product completely retains the function of the original car. The new system will not affect the original system. 6 the CarPlay model is integrate with the screen. Yes, the product itself contains the function of CarPlay and no other equipment is. 7 is there Bluetooth built into this system to listen to music? Yes. The product has built-in Bluetooth, support Bluetooth music, Bluetooth phone, address book reading, recent calls and favorite calls. 8. Is it compatible with right-hand drive car? Yes. Whether it's left-handed driving or right-handed driving, the product can be supported. Explain to the seller before buying. 9 are there installation instructions and instructions in the package? Yes, there is an installation instruction in the package. 10 Can I install the software myself, like YouTube or some maps? Yes, the product can download and install app online. New ID8 Snapdragon665 12.3inch Android 12 CarPlay Auto for BMW X3 F25 X4 F26 Car Intellgent Automotive Multimedia Monitor Andiord